Hello guys, today we have a plush here that I got from Amazon, and as you can see from the title, I got a King Dedede plush. So today we're going to be opening it up. My first time getting a plush ever in a while, ever a good plush video. Or I don't need the scissors, so I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, there he is. King Dedede. Look at the King Dedede plush. As you can see, this is a bootleg King Dedede, but I do not care because he scales well with my Meta Knight and Kirby, and he looks actually pretty good. So I'm gonna open him up with some scissors. So here's my other hand. And we're just gonna. There he is. So here's the King Dedede plush. Really soft, and just move this stuff out the way. I've been waiting a long time for this guy, and he's finally here. So his robe does come off, which is a bummer. I will be able to stitch it on and sew it on, make sure it stays on forever. But yeah, let's take this off. Like the tag, 20th anniversary, Kirby plush. I feel like it's a bootleg at the same time. It's not, cause look at that. I mean, he is a bootleg, but at the same time, looks pretty legit. I don't know if this is the same King Dedede plush, but I got him like $14 off Amazon. Free shipping, pretty nice. Peace logo, and pretty cool. And I also made a little hammer for King Dedede, and let's put that on. Alright. It's on. Ooh. It looks pretty awesome. King Dedede plush. Look at this guy. He's holding his hammer. As you can see, I have to be really delicate because this part right here is the only thing that's holding up the hammer. So I gotta be really careful while I'm holding this guy, but oh my goodness, huh? Let me get him fixed up. Good pose. Let's have him do the palm hand. Palm hand pose. Oh, come on. Yo, pretty cool plush. Okay, scaling up with the King Dedede plush. He's a pretty cool plush. He has his hammer, which I made, which is I think is pretty cool. If you haven't seen the Kirby and Meta Knight plush, I recommend you check it out. Oh, you fat mother freaker, get up. Oh yeah, this is a fake because he doesn't have any beads on the bottom. But here's King Dedede, and here is the Kirby plush. Get up, stand up, stand up. Okay. So here is King. Oh my god. Here is King Dedede with the Sine Kirby plush. Pretty good sizing comparing. He also made a custom Meta Knight plush. I saw the viewer that commented on the video. I will be giving this Meta Knight away. I will get an official Meta Knight plush. So maybe I'll give it away, maybe I won't. But pretty good scaling. King Dedede. Also, I got some plushes over here. Let's pick up Bowser. I think my bootleg Bowser's a pretty good height. Comparing him with King Dedede, pretty good sizing. After the good size comparison, I would like to go in with the pros and cons. So this first off, King Dedede plush is pretty good, but some of the colors are kind of like faded. Well, not faded, but like a little light color. And the original a picture of King Dedede right here in the All-Stars. The red right here is a different shade of red, and if you look at the back, it's a different shade of red as well. And also, right here on the neck, a different shade of blue. On the regular King Dedede official, has like a different type of shade of King Dedede. But what do you think? Do you think this is a bootleg, or do you think it's a official plush? Put in the comments. If you haven't been wondering why I haven't been posting that much, it's because if you live in the United States or somewhere around the world, how do you know? I have a birthday. It's coming up on this Friday. So, if anyone out there is wondering why I haven't posted, it's because my birthday's on Friday. And I'm also going to be making a plush video on all the stuff I got on my birthday. But that's only going to be after the day. Because, you know. So, if you want to see my my plush openings from the birthday party of I'm turning 14, hard to believe. If y'all thought I was 10 years old, get the flip out. Anyways, me, King Dedede, will be there and reviewing all the plushies. And I'm really glad I got this guy. And I'm really glad I got King Dedede. But yeah, it's a really good King Dedede plush, pretty soft, pretty nice. Anyways, as King Dedede said, will be my birthday on Friday, this week Friday. If you live in the United States, if you live around across the other world or something, it's gonna be the day after. So yeah. So, as King Dedede said, I will do a plush opening. If I do get plushies on my birthday, I will do a plush review. And well, yeah. And then after my day on my birthday, I will be making either a Warhog Halloween episode, or I will make a I'll make some more of the Super Smash Bros. Multiverse episodes. But until then, when my birthday ends, I will either make the Halloween special or continue the series. I'll more likely do both. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. King Dedede wants you to like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe right now. King Dedede wants you to subscribe. Yeah, look at King Dedede. I want you to subscribe. Anyways, King Dedede's are focus. My goodness, I will not focus. Can this camera not focus? There we go. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure you guys actually like and subscribe. And yeah, I will make sure I will notify you when I need a notification. So yeah, it's King Dedede for you. I've seen some other King Dedede videos and they don't look too well, but mine actually came out pretty great. And the hammer is pretty awesome. If you guys saw Sonic and Friends, back up with the old King Dedede, he had a really weird hammer. But comment down below if you think my hammer's better than his. Not to put it out there, but yeah, he should really make some more Kirby videos, cause I only saw like a few. So yeah. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to the video, and King Dedede's out. I'm gonna collab with the Kirby. I'm gonna